Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion. Today I'm going to share with you another very delicious, easy to make yet healthy recipe of stuffed capsicum. Capsicum itself is a superfood because capsicums are excellent sources of vitamin A and C and also vitamin E and folate. And also because of its natural sugar, it also helps in reducing blood sugar, blood pressure, and also it helps in secretion of digestive juices. So it's very healthy vegetable. So that is why I'm making this very delicious, super healthy recipe of stuffed capsicum. Without further saying, let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you're new and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update on my channel. So now jump into the recipe and make stuffed capsicum. So here I have taken 3 to 4 small sized capsicum and I'm going to cut them just like that. Cut off the head and you need to remove the core and the seeds present in there, and inside that cavity I'm going to stuff it. I'm using small capsicum, so I'm using as whole. If you are using larger one, then you can cut it half and then stuff it in the same process. So this is the way you need to cut them. So all of them are ready. Now I'm going to make the stuffing. For making the stuffing, here in a pan I have taken 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Mustard oil also is very good for health. When it's nice and hot, I'm gonna add 1 medium sized onion, chopped. It's not finely chopped, it's roughly chopped because I need the chunks in there. After 5 minutes of sauteing, I have added 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Over medium flame, I am cooking this vegetables. Next goes half tablespoon of grated garlic. Saute it for a few seconds as well. Then I am going to add tomatoes. Here I have taken 1 large tomato and chopped it. And cook it for few seconds. Then add green chilies. Here I have taken 3 green chilies which I have finely chopped and cook. Now cook it till the tomato softens. So it took me like 5-6 minutes and the tomatoes are nice and soft. So now I'm going to add dry masala, dry ingredients, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder or jeera powder. Then goes red chilli powder. Balance the heat according to your taste. Half teaspoon of coriander or dhaniya powder and mix them. Next, salt according to taste. And then goes boiled potato. Here I have taken 2 medium sized potatoes. I have boiled them, peeled them off and mashed them. But keep it chunky. Don't mash it like a paste. Keep few bits and pieces of potatoes in there. Now mix them thoroughly with the masala. Now it's done. Next goes 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder and half teaspoon of dry mango powder or AMCHUR powder and mix them up as well. If you don't have AMCHUR powder, you can use lemon juice as well. Next goes in paneer or cottage cheese. Here I am using 50 grams of paneer which I have cut into very small cubes. And light-handedly mix them so that they don't break and become mushy. And that's it. It's done. Let it cool down. You can add coriander leaf if you want, but I skipped it. Next, it's quite cool down, so I'm going to stuff the capsicum. So take generous amount of stuffing and put them inside the cavity, press them with the back of your spoon so that they are tightly packed up inside the cavity. Just like this. Press it nicely and fill it up to the top. In the same way, I am going to stuff all the capsicums, press it and fill it tightly with generous amount of stuffing. So all 4 of them are done. Now I am going to seal the top so that while we will be cooking it or frying it, the stuffing doesn't come out. So here I have taken a thick paste of flour and water and I am applying it on the top of it to seal the top. So all 4 of them are done. Now back to cooking. First we need to fry them. For frying, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. In this same oil, when it's nice and hot, we're going to put the capsicum upside down. So first the flour and water sealed side, we need to fry that side first. There you go. And over medium flame, fry them from all the sides. Flip them every now and then, and over medium flame, fry them. So it will take like 7-8 minutes. So after 7-8 minutes, it's done. It has got nice color, as you can see. Now they are done. Remove it on a plate. Next, in the same oil, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cumin or whole jeera seeds. Next goes a small cinnamon stick and 1 cardamom pod. Over low flame, temper them. Then goes 1 large onion, finely chopped. Now I'm going to fry them over medium flame for 5 minutes. I'm adding salt here for taste and for sweating the onion as well. Now mix and fry for 5-6 minutes over medium flame. So after 5-6 minutes, they are quite done and translucent. When they get into this stage, I'm going to add ginger and garlic. First goes 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Fry them. For a minute. Then goes 1 teaspoon of grated garlic. Fry them for a minute as well. That's it. The raw smell of ginger and garlic is out. Now goes tomato paste. Here I have taken paste of 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Now I'm going to cook the tomato till the raw smell of it goes away and separates the oil like this. So it took me 7-8 minutes over medium flame to get this stage. Next goes in half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Next half teaspoon of coriander powder and mix them for 30 seconds. That's it. Then add half a cup of water for braising all the masala. This process is very important for making Indian gravy. So I'm gonna braise the masala on low flame for 7-8 minutes so that all the vegetables are nicely cooked. That means onion, tomatoes are nicely cooked and braised. So after 7-8 minutes we're back and it has started to release the oil. So at this stage I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance out the tartness of tomato. Mix it. Then add 1 cup of water. Let it simmer over high flame. When it simmers like this, we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder and mix. Next, we are going to place the stuffed capsicum in the gravy. So place them like this. Next, cover it and cook it on low flame till the capsicum are softened, nice and soft. So it's gonna take 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes we are back, and as you can see, capsicums are nice and soft and the gravy has become nice and thick as well. In the middle I have stirred them every now and then, flip them over so that they are cooked through from all the sides. As you can see, they have changed their color and soft. So the stuffed capsicum is ready. Turn off the gas and serve them hot. This is a recipe, it goes with everything. You can have them with some roti, naan, paratha or anything like that, and also it goes very well with rice as well, normal steamed rice or fried rice or anything else. So it's a versatile recipe and very healthy, very tasty. So do make this recipe for your friends and family and kids. It's the best way to have your kids some vegetables. So do like the video, share it and comment in the comment section below. Thank you.